Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how to include the JavaScript file inside of your website. So first of all I will show you multiple ways, so stay focused with us until the end. Now please open the WordPress dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin. I've already made a lot of videos about it, so make sure to watch all of these videos because they will show you how to create an account, how to start up your first website in WordPress, how this section works, all of these sections, how the plugins works, how the appearance work, and much more. So after you are ready and you've watched all these videos, you can come back to this video. But if you're ready to go and watch all of these videos, you will be prepared to watch this video. So after you go to this page, it will be open something like that. Here you put your username and password and log in. So right after you do that, this page will be open for you. So there's multiple ways how you can actually include a JavaScript file inside of your website. The first method, which is going to appearance and theme editor, and from here this page will be opened. You go to assets and here the JavaScript. Here you can add whatever website or whatever files you want to add. The other way, which is adding this plugin, which is all-in-one WordPress migration. Here you can click on import, and here you can add a file from your whatever you want, from your PC, from whatever the website that you like, or you can drag it and put it here, and you will be ready to use the JavaScript file inside your WordPress. The other method, which is going to your cPanel, so which will be something like that, the cPanel. After that you go to your file manager, and from there you go to your WordPress files, and from there you go to content or library, whatever it is, the JavaScript file that is related to, and you put it wherever it is necessary to be. So after you do that, click on save update, and then you wait a little bit, like give it 5 minutes or 6 minutes, and right after that your Java file will be in the website and live to be used. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. See you next tutorial. Bye bye.